Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1973 Dodge Challenger. This one has the 344 barrel, as you see. Beautiful silver paint. It just pops in the sun. The lines look great. I love it. Take off the dealer plate so you can see the rear end. And as I'm doing this walk through or walk around, if you can just go ahead, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself does a new video. And then when we're done, go on over to volocars.com where you get all the other details, specs, pricing, and about 100 or so more pictures of this beautiful vehicle. And I'd call sales pretty quick. I bet you this one's gonna go here soon. Absolutely beautiful car. I'm looking, I'm not seeing any damage or tears on the vinyl top. Door just pops open. The interior looks brand new. Feels really comfortable. Go ahead and put the seatbelt on. And this doesn't just have the lap, it also has the attachment, so if you want to do the shoulder, it's good. Looking up top, not seeing any tears. Everything looks nice and tight. This looks brand new. Carpet, seats, the dash. This one has AC. I'll turn on. Let's see. It's on high. It's a little warm outside, so that felt like it was colder. We'll get in the shop and make sure. See if everything's hooked up right. Automatic. Gear shifter looks great. All right, let's go ahead and take this out on the road. I work in the shop here, and so this is the first time we get a chance to actually take it out on the road. So this is when we'll see if it needs an alignment, anything like that. But we're gonna start off just kind of cruising, get a feel for it. Oh, that steering's really nice. And then I'll get on a little later on in the video here. Speedometer's working, tachometer's kicking up. You have your fuel, engine temp, oil pressure, everything, alternator, and that clock actually works. That's awesome. See, I don't know if the radio works. Oh, this is a really just awesome ride. Handles just gently and just really just smooth down the road. Drive straight. Like very little play. That's about all the play you have here. Let's take it down the bumpy road a little, see if we hear anything. I'm not hearing any squeaks or rattles yet. Real solid car. Just such a nice ride, and it's gorgeous. Leave it in drive for the first pass, and I get a little more comfortable. Then on the way back down this road, I'll manually shift it through. See how it is. Gets up there pretty nice, still handles great. Really easy to drive. Sounds awesome. And this road's not the smoothest at all. It's a little bumpy and it still feels really comfortable. Alright, we'll turn it around here. Oh yeah, we'll make that turn in ease. Great radius. First here. It's pretty awesome right there. Gets up to 55 easy. God, this was a real fun test drive. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. As a potential buyer, hopefully you got a lot of the information you needed. And as I said before, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com and also check out Jay's video on this. He put it on the turntable and goes a little more in depth with the specs. And look forward to hearing from you. As always, appreciate you.